Hello students. Today I have given you the username and passwords for Matific. So this tutorial is all about that. In this I am going to show you how you will log into Matific and you can access the site. Okay, if you don't know what is Matific, Matific is an interactive math site. Okay, now let me show you how you can access it. First, you will type www.matific.com. So once you do this, you will reach this page. Okay, so now I'm going to this again, Matific, and this will lead you to this page. Can you see? Here is a flag icon. So you're going to drop down menu bar. Like in that you're going to select Africa, Middle East and India. So I'm going to select that. Under that you have so many, yeah? So you're going to select United Arab Emirates. And for English, make this setting English UK. Everything will be seen in English now. So what you're going to do here, you can see login. So go to login. It will end up with this. Okay, it will ask for your username and password. So here you're going to type your username and the password which I have given you. So I'm going to log in using mine. So it's going to be something like this. So when you enter your account, you will see this. Okay, and there you can go and browse what the work your teacher has assigned you. Okay then, I hope this helps. If you need more information, feel free to ask me.